So, guys, good morning. This is night. I'm serious. I'm gonna make a video about this fidget spinner. Someone has sent me a fidget spinner. That is so good. I never had this kind of fidget spinner. This is some metal. Let's open it. This is a little bit too heavy. Dude, this is too heavy. Let's spin it. Oh, that is so good. This pen's very good. See, you can hear the voice. That is so good. I never hear a fidget spinner like this. This is the most. Okay, so you're gonna show you the gearings right now. Check. This is the gearings best. Dude, that is so good. So you can see the model. It's the best model in the world. And let's gonna fix this one till yes. The best model, dude. This is an epic fidget spinner. We call it epic fidget spinner. This is the best fidget spinner in the world. So guys, don't forget to subscribe this video. If you subscribe, I'll tell you the money how much it will buy. Just don't forget to subscribe the video.